Look at that cute little bear. Cute little baby bear. Hold up. Dark mode engaged. The chroma key is kind of cool. Doesn't work at nighttime though. Going going dark mode. All right. Try the front end first. Hold on, I'm almost done. I'm trying to get the live site to load. I did it. This is just deploying the front end. I kind of needed to deploy the back end as well. It's doing back end as well, I think, actually. I need a notepad. There we go. I'm gonna think of all the things I need to do. Back to the old pen and paper.
It worked.
I know what to do now. Holy crap. Okay, I know how to do item specifics. Only concerning thing is search category kind of broke. eBay category. Through all the chaos, it broke, so I had to fix it. No, it is working. It's just not working on the live site. Probably more API stuff. The local site has perfect access, but live site is a different story. I'm trying to remember if it's worked before in the past. It could have. I don't remember. I think it might have. Yeah, more API stuff. Everything else works though. So I want these to be different colors. Just a little. eBay is not cooperating right now. God damn it. I'm stuck in this purgatory with APIs again, dude. You can only do this so many times before you lose your mind. I'm gonna keep my cool, though. Or we just work around it today, because it just isn't working. It's doing everything else. See, I don't think it's pulling from the Firebase. The Firestore. Oh, man. We're so close, and this just keeps coming up. This back-end stuff is brutal. But I know what I'm going to do for item specifics now. Pretty much I'll just make an export button. And I could do it now. Well, not really, because I'm stuck doing this, but... I don't know what to do to make this fucking work. Excuse me, I don't know what to do though. I might just say screw it. Fix it later. We'll just keep working on the local. That's what I'm gonna do for today. I ain't screwing around with API today. Okay, so all of this is filled out correctly, right? So all right. Actually, I don't need this right now. Okay. So we're gonna grab this item, add it to the catalog, right? We're gonna make sure everything transferred. Okay, item specifics didn't. Okay. Ooh, images is gonna be hard. Oof, yikes. I just realized something. So what I want to do, essentially, is list all of this. I want to make an export, three different exports, right? The first export for this data into Seller Cloud. I already know how to do that. That's easy. Second export for item specifics. Now I know how to do that. Easy. Third thing, final boss. Transfer the pictures. I don't know how to do that. So we're probably gonna have to I'm probably gonna have to manually add pictures in Seller Cloud for now, just to use my tool to list on Seller Cloud for now. But once I make my tool like Seller Cloud, I can start doing them. I can start. Obviously, the pictures will already be in here. Yeah, that I might be able to find a way around it, but it might be really. It'll probably be really hard. So. I still don't see anything. Okay. Let's try it again. Wait for it to get done. Boom. Okay, it has item specifics. Add to catalog. Okay, there is an error. Set item on storage. No item specifics table. Wait, in my catalog, can I drop down? No, I can't. What did it just add? To the home page? Yikes. It's summarizing. I don't like catalog mirror. I don't like this. Fuck this. Frederick, you are about to get your mind blown. Are you ready? Check this out. I had a third stream yesterday that lasted until like 2 a.m. and I've been cooking. It says it generates it, but it doesn't. Okay, I have to go around this error. It's not doing it. I'll just do whatever it says. I want to get this to work. This is the last thing I need to get working, and then I can export and list on all the platforms. This is the last thing, literally. Because I think I got down to making the Excel files is not gonna be that hard. Oh, it fixed it for me. See, it looks like I did a lot last night. It was just UI stuff. I mean, the meat and potatoes is what I'm doing right now. This is where the magic is. I just need item specifics to show up right here. That's what I needed to happen right now. Okay, fix the error. Okay, let's just try it again. It made item specifics, cool. What the fuck? Okay, that just broke item specifics. Okay, fair enough. Let me add it to the catalog and just see what it does. Does it do anything? Nope. Still nothing. And it broke it. Okay, I gotta pay attention. I gotta figure out why. I gotta figure out what it's doing because it's not. It's doing a hell of a lot. It's saving. I just can't let it slip. I can't like not. Pay attention to this. This is a big deal. Catalog mirror. Right catalog mirror. Pulling from local storage and catalog mirror. Where's catalog mirror? Function catalog mirror. Local storage mirrors so home can read everything. It's all fucked up. It's in here. It's just... I'm gonna have to revert back to what it was before. I mean, nothing's really been accomplished, so if I have to go back, nothing's gonna hurt. No pain. What's up, Christian? You like that? You like the Matrix? Okay, I'll update fetch and populate specifics for to use. Sure, you want to run? It's not gonna work. Oh, it's just lint. Just checking the lint. The AI endpoint returns both raw. Okay. Yeah, the UI stuff's easy. Like, I just took inspiration from a really good website and I just went crazy with the AI. I could, if I spent like 3 days on the UI, I could make it look at least twice as good. It looks really good right now, but that's at the end. I'm saving that for the end. This is the bare bones. I don't really care about this. I have a bunch of shit I want to list, so I'm trying to get this to work. I'm trying to get to the end right here, so I can list some actual products on stream using the tool. But if it keeps breaking the item specifics is like the hardest thing. It fixed it right here. Okay, that's good. See, but like this is a bunch of jumbled garbage. The rest of the item specifics are not item specifics being pulled from Firestore template for eBay categories. Why is this? Please fix. Thanks, Vivian. I appreciate it. I have a feeling I'm gonna be fighting with the specifics a lot. Even when I fix it, I'm just gonna keep on breaking. But okay, let's see if it. Hold on, it's cooking right now. I just don't know. Like, is it really pulling from Firestore every time? I still don't really know. I can't really tell. I mean, it's getting the specifics from somewhere, but it could just be getting lucky. What I want it to do is give the specifics from the template in Firestore. Like, let's quit playing around. Hopefully I don't leak anything here, but I think I know this well enough. I don't think I will. It's famous last words. Let me be careful. Okay, we're good. And at some point, probably tonight, I'm gonna have to have this running forever and ever and ever and ever. Pretty much. Feeding every single category with item specific tables. Like, this is how crazy this is, Christian, if you're watching. There's 20,000 eBay categories, right? There's item specifics for each category. So like for a circuit breaker, it's voltage, amps. For jeans, it's inseam and size and stuff like that. Every category has different item specifics. So what I'm doing is I'm saving all of the categories on this in this database, which is in the cloud. And so if like for this one, for example, this one's circuit breakers, right? So this is the only one I really kind of added. Where is it? Here we go. So these are all the item specifics. And this is pulling from eBay. So this is data from eBay. And I have to do this for every single category. Apparently it's not going to be that big of like storage. It's just going to be like a few, like tens of megabytes. It's not going to be bad at all, apparently. But yeah, this is what these 44, I want these 44 to show up down here like it was before. But right now, we're getting the ones that it can figure out, but it's giving this other garbage. See, look, now it's doing it, kinda. It's giving the specifics, right? It's showing the 44, but it's just like a number. So it's pulling, it's doing it right. It's just being weird right now. All of them. All of them. Because it's easy. I can get them all. Like they're all right here, right? Like, I just wanted to show them all like it was before. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Wait, it's working. Wait. Look, it's working perfectly. I just told it to do... Oh, so it's good. Oh no, it just fixed it. Never mind. It just fixed it. So yeah, now it's working really good. So it's actually perfect right now. Required. That's interesting. Show the column at the top. As the first column, always. This looks good. Actually, should I just remove it? I don't know. Maybe wait. I have a better idea. What Seller Cloud does is they have a little red star, like a little. Here's what I'm gonna have it do. Here's what this is good. So instead of that column, right, where it shows the required columns, instead put a red little star symbol next to the required category or columns or item specifics, indicating which item specifics are required. Then at the top of all of the item specifics, table, write star required by eBay and make it red. All right, that should be really cool. I wanted to put it right next to eBay specific. Well, we'll see what it does. And I don't really care about this tag. Little things I could fix right now is make each tag different colors. Like website category should be different color than this category. And then, you know, here we go. That's exactly what I wanted. Required by eBay. And then okay, didn't really do it, but maybe it will. Maybe it will if I make a new product. So yeah. If it's working right, then this means it searched on Google and it read Gemini's response and it could only figure out the item specifics that it's showing. That it did. So there's probably another way to do it. I just this is good enough for me for now. I bet there is a way to do it though. Okay, let's try another one. Nothing's changed. I did save it, so I don't know what happened. I have a wait. Still not working, but is it because the required item specifics is not in the template? Under aspects. That data might not be there. That might be why. Also, I wanted to kind of clean it up. Like this is good. Like all this up here, like what is this? Like this is all the countries in the whole entire freaking world. As an aspect. Like, I don't know. Yes, most likely the Firestore template document for that category doesn't include the required list or a clean item specifics array. Okay, I'm gonna have it read it. It's gonna see how cooked it is. Okay, I can help you there. Yeah, I want to make sure it does this one right before I ever do it for... Oh shit, it didn't do it. Hold on. Shoot. Shoot, stop. Read the terminal. It shows the full doc. I see. The terminal output you pasted is the full template document. Because the template doc doesn't include a required list, the UI can't mark required fields from Firestore. I already added fallback. See, this is crazy what these guys at SellerCloud had to do. Like, holy shit. Yeah, add the required field array. Yeah, do it. Did it work? All right, I'll have it do it. And then I'll before I leave, before I get off tonight, I'm gonna make sure I get another category working, and then I'm just gonna have it run for all of them. It'll probably take all night. So those... What? Sure. Hold on, let me make sure it doesn't leak anything. It's trying really hard. I don't know why it's not working. Update. Oh, it did it. That was a lot. That was harder than it should have been. Added the required array. Okay, so it fixed it, apparently. I wish there was a better way to get to this. Like, is there like a search bar? Oh, here we go. We're already there. Required. Perfect. Oh my god, it did it. Okay. It did it. It did it. It actually did it. Holy shit. And of course I can't. Why won't it let me save the whole thing? I just want to show it what it just did, because that's pretty cool. Okay, now rerun. Help me say, like, why can't I save? Is because this needs to be saved? I don't understand why it shows a file when I try to save. It always does that. Help me rerun. When I go to file and save. When I go to file save, I get a pop-up download link. Why is that? Why can't I just save? I'll just ask it directly. Why can't I save? But this is huge. I think now it'll actually work once I can save this fucking thing. But it'll... Oh, no, it works already. Brand required. And then these are required. So it's low-key only doing the required ones, if we're being real. But as Frederick said, yeah, I want to shoot for the stars. So I want to get like, okay, model. Model's easy. Model is the MPN. I mean, well, kind of. People would disagree with me. That's a controversial statement. What is it doing? What did I just say yes to? Ooh, I don't know what I just said yes to. File in your workspace lives in OneDrive. What? So I just gotta get out of it? Okay, never mind. It's all good. I just gotta get out of it. It doesn't even matter because it works. Okay, I still see... One way I can make the UI 100 times better instantly is making this be like pop out more, make it like 3D. It would make it look 100 times better. I could probably do it real quick. It would look so much better. Everything else looks good though. Also, is there any way... Nah, I'm not gonna push my luck. I was gonna say move the required specifics up to the top, but I'm not gonna do that. Because I kind of need to save this. This is huge progress. This is exactly how I want it. Oh, yikes. There we go. It got rid of it. Nice. Perfect. Okay, let's save it. This is the first save of the night. Progress has been made. I'll speak in Spanish. Uno. That's the first save. Uno. The next one will be dos. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9... Blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna go as far as I can until I don't know how to. Until I don't know how to go in further. 4 years of Spanish, and I can go up to like 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know where it goes from there. I probably screwed it up. Want me to feel... No, it's good. Everything's good. It's perfect. Okay, now let's fix the UI just for fun. Okay, this is gonna be crazy. How do I want to go about this? Okay, I want to make it like... Let me cook for a second. Hold on. Let me think. Let me think how I want this. If it's slightly darker, it's gonna look weird because of this trim. But I mean, that's kind of what I want it to. That's kind of what I want. I mean, this is darker. I really want. Maybe just the boxes being a different shade? Nah. Like the column boxes, that's cool, but I really kind of want the entire like photo box here to be a different shade. Almost like a light purple. Like let me take inspiration here really quick. Yeah, my background, by the way, you can barely see it, but you can see in the background it has like this cool shady, or not shady, but this cool like dot effect going on in the background. It's pretty cool. It's very subtle. But yeah, I think like a deep purple. So like if I actually log in, like that kind of a purple for the boxes, that might look cool, right? Let's see if I can make it work. Also, I gotta delete some of these. There's so many. Am I deleting anything important? I'm deleting a bank statement. It's probably good, so I don't leak it on stream. It's probably good. Okay. I like that shade of purple. It's almost a little bit too. I kind of hate this tool. This website kind of sucks. It doesn't seem like it's the same color, right? Like it looks different. Please make all, this is kind of hard to explain. Make all of the main tables. I'll just have it do this first. Slightly darker to pop out from the backdrop. Like the photo table, product details table, and maybe even a shadow effect showing 3D effect, like it's sitting on top. Do this for all tables in all pages, except for don't touch the home page. We'll see what it does. We'll see what it does. I love the blur effect behind the header. Super cool. Yeah, I just want this to pop out. I just want it to pop out a little bit. 3D, just like maybe shadow showing it's off of it. Because right now it's just this, it's just all, it looks all the same, right? It's just, you can't tell. It's kind of like the way it's showing right now, like the outline is kind of doing that already. Also, I hate how this logo down here blocks the little American flag that I added. Because I'm quite proud of that American flag. Okay. Holy crap, look at what I just added. This could look really cool or really dog shit. We're gonna see. Tailwind, which is what I'm using to make the website. Like a UI. It's so cool. Like, I think Tailwind made this. I'm pretty sure. The railway. This is where I'm taking inspiration from. This is the coolest website ever made. I want to do this, by the way. I want to have like some like moving thing, like see how I scroll and that moves with it. I want something like that that follows the user down the screen until they get to the matrix. So I want it to be like this thing that falls, but I also want it to be super simple at the same time. So at first I wanted it to like as I scroll down, the matrix letters start falling, but it kind of already does that. Like that, it just goes whoosh. There's the wall, super cool. But at first I wanted it to like fall, and then when it lands, it makes the text. But I couldn't get that far. Wow, look at that. That's actually slightly darker. You can barely see it, but it actually is. Wow, wait, hold on. Wait, it kind of did it. For at least that. Kinda. Did it? Yeah, that looks better, right? Or no. I can't tell if it changed anything, dude. It looks okay. No, all I know for certain is there's nothing changed on here. It is not. It is the exact same. I don't notice any difference on the product generator page.ts. There's nothing. Okay, notice how it all melts together into the same color. I want it to pop out more. It changed the item specifics table, which is interesting. Which is, I mean, I don't have a problem with that. I think it looks okay, but it's, I mean, I don't know. It looks kind of bad, actually. This is the problem. It doesn't understand what I'm talking about. It can't read my mind. It's only what I put in it. That's the magic. And if I type bad crap, then it's not gonna do it. I kind of want it to look like that. What if it was black, guys? What if it was like dark? Like that. That would be kind of cool. Like, I like how this looks. Like, black would be kind of cool. That looks so bad. The item specifics tables. I wish it was dark. Like black. Not like that. Nothing's changed, man. There we go. There we go. Now it's floating. And there's shadow. I like that. It's a little bit too light. I wish it was like dark. But that looks really good. And it moves. Look at that. Do you see that? Whoa, that's actually super cool. Oh my god, that looks so cool. The pop-ups literally move. What if I made it so every product in the queue like had an animation? So I could do anything, dude. It's just a matter of like how much shit do you want to do? But that's super cool. So you want it to be like Apple, like you're using a Mac where everything like moves. But yeah, the background, I want the background to be this color. And then I want the buttons to be like no, same as this, blue. Yeah, I did say slightly darker. Okay, everything's moving. I'm gonna put this as the color. So it's called pop-up functionality. Well, I can make it the same color as this backdrop, which is supposed to be this, but okay. We'll see what it looks like. I think it'll look really good if it's darker. The dark, like almost like dark matte black grayish. Dark gray. There we go. Okay, just that's interesting. That's like that purple though. That's kind of cool. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Right? The button color could be a little bit different. Button color black. The button color is what doesn't look great. It kind of looks, I don't know. It doesn't, it looks okay. Try to make the button column colors a darker shade of that. Not the buttons. No, not the buttons. Not the buttons. I take it back. Column entries. like I don't like this color. It's not good. It's not good. It needs to be darker, I think. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. That looks way better. There we go. There we go. That looks really good. I like how Tweaker looks. I'm not gonna mess with Tweaker. It looks good. I like this. I don't mind this at all, actually. I'm gonna keep it. You like that, Frederick? You think it's okay? I like just purple. Purple is a cool color. 1, 2, dos. I just like how it moves. That's all I care about. When I hover over, I'll have it do one more thing. When I hover over drop images here, make that highlight a darker shade of a significantly darker shade of that. Or no. Make the drop images here slightly darker. And when I hover over drop images here, make the highlight an even slightly darker shade of that. Let's see if that looks good. Because right now it's blue, which looks kind of stupid. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, we'll see what it does. It looks okay, actually. Highlighting the, well, let's see what it does. Maybe it looks really good. That doesn't look very good. I kind of like how it highlights it blue. I'm gonna go back. I like the blue, actually. I'm gonna stop. It could be a darker shade of purple, but I just don't know. I don't know. It looks okay. Screw it. I'm done. I'm done screwing around with that. New chat. I obsess over shit like this. Wait, hold on, wait. It just did something bad. It just made it look... No, what did I just do? Shit. Now it looks like... Now it's blue again. Crap. Let me just revert back and then we'll be good. It's fucking still blue. There we go. That looks better. Okay, that's good. That looks okay. Oh my god, look at everything that it did. It's doing a lot. Is this too much? This did a lot. What the fuck? Yikes. It changed a lot. Whoa, this is way different. I just don't think I like the color. Yikes. Okay, let me just try different ones. Because we're too far. We have to commit now. Unfortunately. Ew. Okay, that looks awful. Shit. We fucked it up. I might have to abort and go all the way back. It's bad. It's bad. Oh no. Come on, just make it black. That's all I wanted to do. Black, black, black. Come on. I just want to see what it looks like. Fuck, don't change the grid. No. This is not good. Okay, we're gonna go back. The pop-up is super cool though. Shit. Let me go back to when I did the pop-up. There we go. Okay, we're back. Kinda, not really. I did not mean to get this off track. That looks better. Wow, that looks way better. Okay, that looks really good. I like that. Okay, I fixed it. Only thing that we could change is the item specifics table. And I'm gonna make all the text lighter. When you click edit, it makes everything lighter, but I want to make this text lighter. If that makes sense. I want it, yeah, just that. Make all text like white, so you can actually read it. Oh no, I'm so lost in the sauce right now. If I make this brighter, we'll be able to see everything way better. The text. It's pretty cooked, I'm not gonna lie. I hate that hover and focus, or that focus crap. Should I nuke everything? It's pretty bad. Oh, that made it way better. Whoa. That just made it. That just made a whole. That made a world of difference right there. Wow. I think the only thing that's wrong is this is inverted. This is supposed to be darker. And then the inside is supposed to be lighter. I don't know. What do I know? I don't know. It's just cooked. There's something about it. It's just not good. Oh well, I can fix it later. Screw it, I'm done trying. What's going on? Why is it taking so long? That's kind of weird. What the fuck? Those are not required. Shit, man. I'm gonna go back. I'm nuking everything. I'm nuking. That was a waste of time. Shit. Fuck. Why does it look so bad? Why was that save this? This looks shitty. Fuck. What is going on? What is happening? There we go. Okay, we're back to normal. We're back. Everything's fine. Make the tables in generate product page. Have a pop-up Hold on, I think I know how to make it better. Hold on. I know how to make it good, so we can just stop thinking about it. I learned a lot there, so I like the hover action, and I want it to just be slightly darker. That's all. That's it. I'm a simple man. That's all I want. Simple man with simple eye candy desires. Just make it pop just a little bit, just a little tiny bit. Come on, just do it. So I can stop thinking about it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. It actually got the pop-up animation perfect the first time. This is the last time I'm trying, and then I'm done. I'm gonna give up. I have other things I want to do. What the fuck is going on? Whatever. Okay, now screw it. I don't want to care anymore. Now what I want to do is I gotta get this item specifics to pop up. I just have to.